everyone, my name is Delene and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about one of my purses that I had gotten February 2012, and the reason why I purchased this purse is because I had a bonus money that I had gotten from work. My company had gotten bought out, so they let a bunch of us go. All of us go at the corporate office, and so with my money I wanted to purchase something that I will have forever. I didn't just want to hold on to the money. I didn't want to save it. I didn't want to do any of that. I wanted to buy me something that I can hold on to and see and enjoy, and I purchased this beauty here. I think this purse is gorgeous. I absolutely love this purse. I love the color. I love everything about it. It is a wallet on chain. I know it doesn't carry much, but that's fine. That's the whole purpose of this purse. And I'm not really sure what this purse is called, but I know it has the word Camellia in it because of the flowers here. This is a patent leather beauty, and here is the inside. I have this chain kind of doubled up right now, but here is the inside of this purse, and this is what I normally carry in this purse. Obviously you have to minimize when you carry this purse. I don't normally carry anything in this part of my purse. Once in a while I'll put receipts, or once in a while I will put a credit card in there that I want to separate from the other ones. For instance, at work I do have a credit card they give me, and I don't want to accidentally use it, so sometimes I'll stick it into this pocket here. And sometimes I'll stick my phone in here, but now that I have the iPhone X, it is bigger, so I don't use that as much for my iPhone X, or use that for my phone anymore. And then there's a zipper pouch here. And then another pouch here where you can kind of keep some cash if you like. But I just throw mainly everything in the middle compartment. I just feel that it's easier. I normally do put credit cards here, but this is not the purse that I'm currently using. I'm just showing you what I normally put into my purse here and what I normally carry. So first of all, I usually carry gum. If it doesn't fit, then this is one of the, or if it gets too full, this is one of the purses, or the stuff. I'm sorry, I can't even talk today. This is one of the things I do take out of my purse because I don't have to have this. Got to have my car keys. And I normally carry this tiny, tiny little compact with me when I carry my tiny purses. So it's from Estee Lauder. It's a gorgeous little compact, and it's refillable. That's one of the things that I do like about it. And then it comes in this little pouch here, so it doesn't get all scratched up. And I usually carry a lipstick in there. I do have smaller lipsticks for smaller purses, but this is the one that I'm currently using, is the Bare Minimal. And I do love this. I think it's gorgeous. It's called Pout. So, love this thing. And then I'll usually carry my key clay or my small Chanel card holder, but right now I have a lot of change in here, and I can also put additional cards in here, so that would be one of the reasons why I would be carrying my key clay. I love my key clay. And of course my iPhone here, my iPhone X. So all that fits into my Chanel wallet on chain with no problems whatsoever. I love, love, love this purse. I wouldn't mind having another Chanel wallet on chain. That's how much I love this. I would love it maybe in a yellow. I want something brighter, something that stands out. I think the yellow Chanel purses are gorgeous. They're all gorgeous, but I wouldn't mind having one in yellow. I think this is such a beautiful purse. And I have my authenticity card here. I have that, and then it comes with a little book. I guess it's a little care package, or care, you know, how to take care of the leather on your purse. And then they gave me this little booklet here. to go with it. The tag really doesn't say the name of the purse, except it just says, "Oh, wallet on chain, dark red." And that's about it. I wish I knew what this purse was called. I don't really remember. So anyways, with my purse, they gave me a little dust rag here, so I guess I can clean my purse with it. So I just clean it here and there. I don't feel like it leaves any fingerprints though, as you can see. Usually on a patent leather, you can sometimes see fingerprints. None. I've never had that problem with this Chanel. For instance, like my Louis Vuitton, it's not the epi leather, but their patent leather purse. I have a red one, the Pont d'Amour color, and you can see fingerprints on that purse. So let me show you what my purse looks like on me. Let me turn this camera a little bit here, and here we go. It's kind of long, but I don't mind that. I'm just putting it on my shoulders. I don't always just put it on my shoulders like that. I mainly either carry it just like this. I think it's gorgeous. I usually carry it in the front. I don't like carrying it in the back because I'm afraid that it's going to hit things, and I do not want it to get scratched. I do take care of my purses, all of them. I love all of them, and I would hate for them to get damaged. And I also can double up my strap. I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all do that with your Chanel purses, and carry it just like this. And I actually love carrying it like this. This is the way I normally carry it, or I carry it a majority of the times. And then when I get tired of carrying it like this, I switch it to crossbody. I change it up all day long if I have to suit what I'm doing at that moment or whatever. But if I'm walking in the mall, or if I'm walking around or going somewhere, I usually carry it like this. If I go to the grocery store, then I do it crossbody. So love, love, love this purse. I do recommend Chanel's wallet on chain, only because I feel like it's so classy, and Chanel is just, I don't know. Chanel is just an amazing purse. So there you go. So tell me what y'all think about my beautiful Chanel wallet on chain in the red patent leather Camellia purse. I have a few more. I think I have a couple more Chanels that I do want to talk about. So please subscribe to me. I think they're gorgeous, and I would love to share it with you guys. And oh, let me show you my outfit of the day. This is a no big deal outfit. But just to let you see. First of all, I am wearing this beautiful necklace. I bought this at Ann Taylor Loft. I never buy anything full price over there. They always have 40% off, 30% off, 50% off. So usually when I buy something from there, I don't want to spend or pay the full amount for any of the stuff at Ann Taylor Loft unless it's something that I need right then and there. And I have to have it that day, and they just happen to not have a sale, you know. But majority of the times I will go there and just wait for a sale. So anyways, let me show you what I'm wearing. Okay, so I'm wearing their dark denim shorts with pockets, more of the dressier shorts. So I really like that, and this is from Ann Taylor Loft. And this t-shirt here is from J. Crew. It's a J. Crew outlet. So there's one here in Texas, and stripes are really in right now. I think I have a few striped shirts. So I thought this shirt was cute, and I thought it'd be cute with this necklace. I am going to be wearing this necklace a lot. I had just gotten it, and I love it. I just think it's so cute. It stands out, and it happens to match a lot of my outfits that I had purchased from Ann Taylor Loft. So anyways, please click on the bell and give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I will see you guys another time. And God bless you guys. Bye.